All right, what's going on? It's your boy Mike Lowry, KSM Trading 25 on Instagram. We had some great plays today, so we're letting some runners run right now on Tesla. We'll start off, with Tesla. First thing in the morning, we had break below a key level, right? So it broke below the support, and then usually it'll leave some gaps to come back to go further down. However, that was not the case, and it reclaimed, right, and then gave us a huge bullish candle. So it literally engulfed everything from the open, right? Uh, Previous 15 minutes. So then it kept going. We were waiting for a pullback this whole time, and then we got this pullback right here. So this was entry as close as we could to outside of this level, right? And then this was an add, and then this was take profit at the next level. And then it came right back down to 307 again because on the 5 minute chart later in the day we zoom out, but 5 minute chart, we never filled this, right? So we came down, filled it, gave us a nice bounce, failure to make a lower low. So we entered here with a stop loss here, I believe it was like 50-cent stop. And then went up, right? So what we just tested now is this 15 minute for value gap that it left on the way down. So we'll see if we break it. I don't think we. I mean, that's a strong candle. It's a strong candle close. So if we do break this 309, I would like to see it go back to 310, 312, which would be pretty cool, especially for a lotto play, right? And then SPY this morning. SPY was absolutely gorgeous. It came down, broke below a key level, clear break back above. And when it breaks with this much strength, I enter on that first pullback without a doubt, right? 622.50 and 622. So it's a 50-cent stop loss. I'm cool with that all day. Um, and then let it run. And we ended up I actually took profits here, 624.15 instead of 43. Don't be a dick about a tick kind of thing. So took profits there, and then it came back as you can see right here, but I missed that. This would have been a good re-entry back to previous highs, um, but it's all right. Can't get them all right. AMD was a great setup today, man. I missed AMD like crazy. First thing off the open, we literally came down, bounced perfectly off the support, and then went straight to the next level. So it would have been 142 to 144.80, about 145, right? So that would have been an absolutely gorgeous play. Unfortunately, I wasn't watching it. I usually have like a four screen up, and then I have another four screen up. So, it's a lot to watch at once, and then let alone having to call stuff out. So now to cap off the video, we are approaching TP for the Tesla runner, which ended up perfect. I was just finishing up editing the first half of the video, so goes to show, man. I mean, this was just an extra $300 from the profit we made. I was like, I'll risk 300, and now we just made 300. So trading, man. Start learning. There's no better time than now. Now is the youngest you will ever be. All right. There's no perfect time to get started. You just need to get started. All right. Let's go.